Wondering what you get when you become an English Heritage member? Let's open a welcome pack from the English Heritage. Your welcome pack should arrive in the post within 28 days of signing up. Until then, you can use your temporary digital membership card to visit sites in the meantime. Inside, there are several different things, starting off with this brochure containing your membership card and your parking sticker, which allows you to gain free access to all of the English Heritage car parks. You also get a leaflet telling you how to register for the online members area, which allows you to book and access your exclusive benefits. The brochure itself shows you some of their popular sites, as well as the other opportunities such as sharing your story and staying at hotels. It outlines the additional benefits you receive as a member. There is a sheet of the terms and conditions of your membership for you to keep. You also get a bookmark with the English Heritage logo and slogan, which you can use in your English Heritage handbook. This outlines all of the current English Heritage sites, includes information about accessibility and the features the different sites have, as well as their location. 3 times a year they publish a members magazine, with the latest copy being included in your welcome pack. Read about stories from other members, learn how to make the most of your membership, and explore upcoming members-only events. Further editions of the magazines will be sent to you once they're released. This is everything you get in a 2025 English Heritage Welcome Pack.